Hey guys, Pete Hartnett, product manager here at Tulip, joining you from Ops Calling 2025, specifically from the Global Observability Hub. I want to walk you through what we think the future of AI plus data to observe your operations looks like. Let's start at the highest level and talk through global observability across a Tulip deployment. So a decade on, Tulip customers are going broader and more global than we've ever seen before. And OpsMoto is a new product that we launched at the show just yesterday, intended to focus on that problem. This allows you to aggregate data across all of your different sites from the most foundational data, how many hours of your applications running, which applications are the most active, who are your biggest builders, what are they building, and drill even deeper down into things like trends on that data, right? What use cases are trending up? And even drilling down for an individual site to find a unique opportunity to leverage an insight from a different site, for example, ultimately getting more value from your Tulip deployment. Now, if we dig even deeper and start looking at a single site, we also have our UNS viewer, right? This is the data coming directly off of that site, all of kind of the live state of this business. So we can see the architecture, and we actually see events as demos are running, flowing through the UNS, both the stuff that's at the edge and then ultimately into the cloud with our partners. Now let's talk a little bit about AI and how that plays into the puzzle. At this station, we were talking about the Tulip MCP, something we released just a couple of months ago. I think of an MCP as sort of an API for an LLM, and it allows Tulip to speak natively into an ecosystem. In this case, we have the MCP configured and connected to Claude Desktop, which is just an LLM client. And I'm actually using it to do automated reporting. So I've got a Gemba report. We can review that conversation as our agent is going and fetching data live from Tulip and then ultimately producing a Gemba report, allowing me to close the loop on those insights and then ultimately into actions. I think importantly, we're just getting started, but Tulip can set that foundation today for global observability and AI on top of that. So thanks for the time.